tours at the Lake Vermilion Soudan underground mine are suspended while crews work to remove water from the mine. Heavy rains from last week inundated the underground mine, and a lightning strike cut power to the state park, halting the pump station. The mine did receive just under 8 inches of rain in just 24 hours, causing flooding on the bottom level where the tours operate. Staff are currently working to install a new pump, which is expected to take several weeks. Mine tours are suspended until after July 23rd. Surface tours, however, will continue daily from 10 a.m. to 4.